In this video, I'll show you how to use the Gemini AI power feature in Google Colab to write better code, modify existing code, and even fix errors automatically. At the bottom of your Colab notebook, you'll see a Gemini panel with a prompt that says, "What can I help you build?" You can think of Gemini as your built-in AI coding assistant inside Colab. It can write code, refactor it, explain it, and debug errors directly from your notebook. When you create a new plus code cell, you will see the message, "Start coding or generate with AI." This opens the Gemini prompt where you can describe the type of source code you want to generate. For example, you might enter, "Create a Python source code to generate numbers from 1 to 100 using a loop." After submitting the prompt, Gemini AI will automatically generate the requested source code. Once the generation is complete, you will see the following options. Accept inserts the generated source code into the selected cell. Cancel discards the generated code if you do not wish to use it. Accept and run inserts the generated code into the cell and immediately executes it. This feature allows you to quickly create, test, and execute code with minimal effort, significantly improving productivity and workflow efficiency. Now we want to change this program so that it prints only the odd numbers. Instead of manually editing the code, we'll ask Gemini to help us. First, select the cell with our loop. Then open the Gemini panel at the bottom. In the Gemini prompt, we'll type something like, "Modify the source code so that it prints only the odd numbers." Gemini analyzes the code and returns an updated version. A typical suggestion will look like this. We can now insert this suggestion into a new cell or replace the existing one. Let's run the updated code. As you can see, the output now shows only the odd numbers between 1 and 100. This is a simple example of how Gemini can quickly refactor your code based on natural language instructions. Next, let's see how Gemini can help us fix errors. I'll make a mistake on purpose. For example, I'll rename the variable inside the loop incorrectly. When we run this, Python shows an error, name number is not defined. Instead of manually debugging, we'll ask Gemini to explain and fix this error. Gemini will respond with an explanation, and it will suggest corrected code. We insert Gemini's fix, run the cell again, and the error is gone. The output correctly shows all odd numbers from 1 to 100. Gemini is a powerful assistant, but remember a few best practices. Always review the code. Use clear, specific prompts. Treat Gemini as a smart collaborator. Gemini AI acts as an intelligent assistant inside Google Colab and can support a wide range of tasks to improve productivity, accuracy, and learning. Here are the key types of work it can perform. In summary, the Gemini AI power feature transforms Google Colab into a smart development environment where you can code faster, learn better, and debug more efficiently with AI-driven support. In this short example, you saw how Google Colab's Gemini AI power feature can refactor your code and fix errors. Thank you for watching and see you again for the next tutorial.